Hello everyone, I will show you how to restore the old YouTube layout. First of all, what you need to do is you need to search for Chrome Web Store, and after that will show up to you Chrome Store, and click on it. And from here you need to type in YouTube Redux. Tap on search and will show up to you the first ad, the first extension. Click on it, and from here you need to tap on add to Chrome and add extension. And after the extension is downloaded, tap on it, and after that from here, as you see, we have the extension. And from here, if you want to change view things from the old layout, and after that let's open YouTube and check out the old layout. I will refresh it from here, and as you see, this is the old layout of YouTube. The thumbnail was very small, and the text and multiple things from here. That was very cool layout, and basically that's it. This is how we do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.